बैठ को अच्छे से रखता हूँ. So, good evening everyone. Myself Afan Ahmed from Department of Management. Good evening everyone. Myself Afan Ahmed from Department of Management. And today we'll get to know about supply chain management in brief, a very special guest from the industry. So, let me introduce you all to Mr. Shahrukh.
Hello everyone, myself Saruk Hussain. I'm a social media manager and I have almost 5 years of industry exposure and currently I'm working with Physics Wala.
Just let's start. So, personally, Shahrukh, Mr. Shahrukh, what do you think about the future of supply chain management?
So the future of supply chain management completely depend upon the faster delivery and those all stuff. We are importance as if we include the importance from starting production part till the delivery to the customer, and also taking the feedback of that particular thing, like how they feel about this thing.
Sure. Okay. That's great. Can you just let me know about few importance of supply chain management? Why is it important nowadays in physics one? Or like nowadays when you see in all the corporate companies?
So basically fast delivery के लिए, और another one is like revenue forecasting and cost optimization and sustainable operation as well.
So coming on to the next question. This is a very crucial question that I personally want to know from you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, do you think, Shahrukh sir, will AI and automation will change the future of supply chain management?
Definitely, because we are living in a current era where AI is the powerhouse of the whole ecosystem, and currently मतलब हम जहाँ पे रह रहे हैं AI का यूज़ हम हर जगह पे कर ही रहे हैं. So somehow yes, क्योंकि अगर AI के साथ अगर हम अगर हम अपने पूरे सर्वाइवल को या कोई भी चीज़ को अगर इंगेज ना कर पाए तो somehow हम कहीं ना कहीं पीछे रह जाएंगे.
With time we need to just
yes. So अगर AI का हम यूज़ करें in supply chain management, that somehow improves the inventory planning and route optimization for the particular delivery, faster delivery, and also as well as vendor performance analysis. कि अगर आपके 5 लोकेशन में different ऐसे vendor हैं, and if you want to analyze what are the data and कैसे वो transfer उनका जो भी product delivery हो गया या कुछ भी हो गया तो आपको analyze करना होगा analysis के लिए, तो somehow you need AI for that particular thing. So yeah, AI is really important.
Okay, that's a very great answer that I'm fully satisfied with your answer. Thank you so much. And coming on to another question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Do you think that will supply chain management be fully digitalized? Because see, as you said that you work in PW, physics wala, right? So teachers को थोड़ी हटा देगा supply chain management AI. Do you think it personally?
Human touch will be always there. आप किसी भी AI को भी ऑपरेट करने के लिए somehow there is a need of human. अगर हम digitalization की बात करें supply chain management में, somehow human is needed. So time will change, but still a person should have need to change on the basis of if there's something in the market. So we have to learn the digitalization process, but still हमें ह्यूमन टच चाहिए ही हर जगह पे. एंड डिजिटलाइजेशन का फ़ायदा भी हो सकता है कि समहाउ जो हम ऑपरेशनली जो प्रोसेस हम लगाते हैं, जैसे कि अगर हमें कुछ कोई भी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में डेटा ट्रैक करना हो या कुछ भी करना हो, उसके लिए हमें ऐसे रिकॉर्ड रखना पड़ता है पर्टिकुलर रिटन फॉर्मेट में. अगर डिजिटल हुआ तो वी हैव ए ऑप्शन दैट वी कुड कलेक्ट ए सिंगल डेटा विच विल बी वर्ल्ड वाइडली एक्सेसिबल हो सकता है. यस, thanks for the correction.
Accessible हो सकता है. Yeah.
So digitalization is really important. This one is also importance.
Okay. So thank you so much for Shahrukh for your kind words, and we are really grateful to have you here with us. Okay. So let's just catch up later I'll get to learn more about the supply chain management in the upcoming future. Looking forward to see you.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much guys. This was all about the supply chain management that we can learn, and we had Shahrukh with us. Thank you so much for your quality time, Shahrukh. Thank you so much.
Same. Okay. Thank you guys.